Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. I got a new review for you, the new GoPro 8 Media Mod. I just got it. I want to do a review on it, so let's get to it right after the intro. Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. Today I'm going to do a review on the GoPro 8 Media Mod. The shotgun mic, the 3.5 mic port, the HDMI port, and the USB-C port on it. Let's see what comes inside. It comes with the mod case, a thumb screw, and a GoPro Quick Connect. So let's take a look at this. It's all plastic. And I like the microphone setup on the side. We'll open it up here. There's a small piece of rubber on here. It must be to cushion it or keep the pressure on the C port on the GoPro 8. The GoPro in there, we have to take the GoPro door off so we can access this. Again, the door comes off very easy. That it slides in right like that, and there we go. And then the cover clicks in. There's a button there for your on, off, and menu. Has two hot shoe spots, one on the top and one on the side just below the microphone. Now, before you actually get to use this, you have to update your software on the GoPro. Otherwise, it will not recognize you. So let's pull down to the preferences, go down to input output, and there it says Media Mod. You really can't do any adjustments to that, but it just shows you that it's active. And we'll go back. You can look at any one of your custom displays. I want to input on it, and you scroll down to mics. Now you have three options with this. You have a microphone in the front, a microphone in the back, stereo, I guess with the combination of two running. Adjust each one of your customs settings for that. Also, if you like placing an icon or a tab in your window to adjust it anytime that you're in some custom settings. So we click water, the little input button. We scroll all the way down to where it says lower, upper right, lower left. Put it anywhere on your menu you want that it gives you options, and you slide up to what you want. Stop there. Click, go back out, all the way to the main menu, and there is your adjustment for your microphone. You can use your front, you can use your back, and you can use your stereo. So that is really cool. We have the 3.5 audio jack, USB-C port for charging this with the Media Mod on the GoPro. That's very nice. And then you have your micro HDMI port, so you can watch it on some monitor, TV, or screen. Pull out your legs so you can attach it to the GoPro mount. That's still accessible. It wraps around, gives you a little bit of protection. So I want to do some audio checks with this, test it out and see how the microphones sound. This is a test with the internal microphone from the GoPro 8. I am directly above the GoPro 8. Okay, this is the test with the microphone in the front. I am just above it. This is the microphone test. The microphone in the front. I am directly above it. How does this sound? This is with the microphone in the back. I am directly above it. Again, this is a test with a microphone in the back. How does this sound? This is in stereo mode. I am directly above it. Microphone front and back together in the stereo mode. How does this sound? Okay, that was our audio test with the Media mic. It's a noticeable difference, but it still needs some improvement. The quality of sound is not super great. Excited to see when the back LCD comes in that you can actually do great selfies with. If this information was useful to you and helping you decide to purchase the GoPro 8 Media Mod, then could you hit the subscribe button down below and the bell to the right to catch my upcoming videos. And this is Captain Mark saying thank you.